So I'm gonna make a real quick video on how to replace the lower motor mount. I guess it's a motor mount and transmission mount. But anyways, this is the passenger side. I already did the driver's side. This is the passenger side. That's a 19 millimeter nut right there, and there's two 14 millimeter under it. You don't even have to remove the tire or anything. I'm gonna go under and show you real quick. So here we are under the car. That's the motor mount right there. It's in place right now. I haven't tightened up the nut and bolt yet. So I was saying, there's two 17 millimeter bolts up here. There's one there, and the other one goes there. You'll see them once you're under the car looking for them. But basically, you just gotta loosen that one out and take that one off, and then as soon as you remove these two 14 millimeter bolts, this is gonna drop, and you'll be able to slide the mount out. You don't even have to support anything, the transmission, because the upper mount is holding everything up, so it's not gonna drop or anything. But it's pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. Okay, now we're gonna replace that top bolt up here. Okay, so I found out that it's better if you get this bolt started before you tighten this two completely all the way up. Get it so that way you can line up the hole easier and get the bolt started, and you'll be able to put this bolt back on, and then you can finish tightening up this 14 millimeters down here. So now I'm gonna finish tightening up those two 14 millimeters here. Okay, tight. I'm gonna go up front and tighten this 19 millimeter right here. This one we're gonna do it the easy way. I'm just gonna use my impact. There you go.
I like to get down here.
This is my old one right here. As you can see, broken right there. The other side was worse than this. It was like completely this piece right here was completely off. So I replaced both of them. I ordered them on Amazon for like 30 cents. So that was a good deal. And in case I forgot to mention, this is a 1997 Honda Civic DX. I noticed while I was down here, this transmission cooling hose is kinked. We'll have to fix that. Yeah, that's all I got for this video. Hope you guys liked it and hope to help someone else out. Very simple video. Said it was a 1997 Honda Civic DX and any other model.